Hi, so you've got a blog and you've got some posts and content on there, but you're not making any commissions, profit or income yet. You need to add some sort of monetization, something that actually works. And you know that using high commission affiliate programs is the way to go. But now you're faced with a pretty massive task. You need to find a relevant offer for each page and post of content that you have. Then you need to grab the affiliate link, find the post or page, open it up to edit it. Then you're going to have to go through all that content to add the affiliate links to the relevant keywords, finding them in the text, editing them and adding the new link. And you need to do this several times for each post you have. Let's say it takes just 5 minutes per post. If you've got a dozen posts on your blog, that's over an hour's work. If you've got hundreds of posts, it's pretty much an insane amount of time that it's going to take. Oh, and what happens when one of the offers you're promoting changes? You've got to go back and find every post and page you used that offer on and edit all those links. Again, a massive amount of time and a huge headache. Or you could just grab Blog Link Magic and let it do all the heavy lifting for you. Now, I've been a blogger for well over a decade and I've faced the same problems that are holding you back. I designed Blog Link Magic to make it easy, quick and simple to monetize any blog in just moments. So let me take a moment to show you the plugin in action so you can see for yourself just how fast you can be up and running and pulling in affiliate commissions with your blog. Okay, so here I am in my WordPress dashboard on one of my test blogs, one of my niche blogs. You can see I've already got the WordPress plugin installed. It is a standard WordPress installation process, so it takes just a minute. You can also see that currently there are no links included in the plugin itself. It's a fresh installation, so there are absolutely no links there. And yes, you can add in links manually, so once you're up and running, you can add extra affiliate programs and offers that you like. But let's look at the real power of Blog Link Magic by going to the import page and importing a done for you links list. Now all I need to do is click on the choose file button and you'll see it brings up our local file browser, and you'll see I've got a few different files in here for links. I'm going to go with the Blog Link Magic Links Education because that's a selection of links, a library of links for this particular niche for this blog. So simply choose that file and click on open and then click on submit, and you'll see that this takes just seconds to run. There we go, 17 links imported. It could be 50, it could be 100. It's still extremely quick. And if I go back to the links page, and as you can see, we now have a whole list of affiliate links appearing in our link list. And each of these links has a selection of keywords associated to it that are relevant to that particular offer. And wherever those keywords appear in our content, the system is then automatically, dynamically linking out to that related affiliate program. Basically, in a few seconds, we've monetized all our content. Wherever there is a keyword related to one of our affiliate links, there's going to be a link to take people to that product, to that offer, and make us a commission and start making us some money from our blog. So let's actually edit one of these links so you can see what I mean and what's going on in the background with the keywords. Okay, first up we have the link name, which is what the system will then use for the link structure here in the posts themselves. So the link name is taken from here. We then have the product link itself. In this case, it's a ClickBank one that I'm using, and I've got a tracking ID where I simply put the name of this particular blog. So when I make a commission for this particular affiliate product, I'll be able to see where it came from in my ClickBank affiliate dashboard. Obviously, that can be fairly useful information to see where your commissions are actually coming from. Then we have the description for this link, which I've included the affiliate page for this particular affiliate program as well. So we've got that there. Then we've got the important bit. We've got the keywords, which are comma separated. And this is what the system's going to use to create the links within your posts, within your content. Okay, there's a couple of important points I need to cover here. First up, these keywords. The system won't link every single occurrence of these keywords. You could easily end up with way too many links on each page. It only links a specified number of keywords in each post, which is a setting you decide under the options page down here. Usually we use something like 4, 5 or 6 keywords. That tends to be enough. Obviously you can have more if your content's longer. Now the next thing to note is the links are dynamically created, i.e. they appear when the page is viewed by a visitor. They're not hard-coded. So if an affiliate program disappears or you simply want to swap one out because you found something better, you just edit the link details on this page. So all the links then across all your content will use that new link. In other words, you're never stuck with that situation where you're having to go through all your old content, dig out those hard-coded links and update them. Because it's all done centrally and dynamically, you just edit the link and it's done for you. Now here's the really important bit. Every post or page that contains one or more keywords from your blog link magic keywords list will now have keywords that link out to your affiliate offers, making you commissions from all of your content, no matter how old it is. And all that's happened by just importing that one link library list that took just seconds to do. Okay, so how about we pop over to the blog itself and have a look at those links in action. Okay, so I've got the blog already opened in a separate browser tab before we imported those links. Okay, so you can see there are no links appearing in the posts at the moment. You'll see the difference in a moment. Let's hit refresh so that those links, that's then updated and you can see the links pop in straight away. And when I hover over one of these links, if you pay attention to the status bar down in the bottom left-hand corner, you'll see that the link format is more/beauticiantraining.html. It's very much designed to be in a format that looks like it's leading to more content. It makes it a lot more attractive for your visitors to click on because they think they're going to more relevant, related content to that particular information that they're currently reading. They end up on an affiliate link, on an affiliate page with an offer. Hopefully they buy and you make the commission. That's how easy it is to turn all your existing content into monetized content with these affiliate links. And with the blog link magic done for you link libraries, you can be up and running in literally moments. It's the quickest way I've ever found of monetizing a blog. Okay, so that was a super quick demo of blog link magic. It is a full link cloaker and you can cloak normal affiliate links within posts as well. But the real beauty here, the real power and simplicity is how quickly you can add links and edit existing links. And by now you can see just how easy it is to monetize all your existing blog content, including old PLR articles that you need to add. And to get your visitors taking action on your offers, pulling in affiliate commissions and profits for you, no matter what your niche is. And remember, for a limited time only, you can get your hands on blog link magic, including the done for you link libraries and bonus training at the special low early bird price. We will be selling this for at least $47 after this limited offer ends. You get full over-the-shoulder video tutorials to make sure you get the absolute most out of your new plugin. And we include free ongoing updates so you'll never be left behind. And just for this launch offer, we're including multi-site and site flipping licenses, so you can install the plugin on as many of your sites as you want, as well as flip your sites for quick profits. But you need to act now. The price will be going up again very soon, and the multi-site and site flipping license will be removed. So please scroll down now and grab your copy today, and we'll see you on the inside.